Good morning, YouTube. Yo, I never could wake up with my bonnet fully on my head. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see by the title, your girl is going to have her first runway class. I'm mad excited. If you do not know who Diva Davanna is,
you kill me every time.
We saw Miss J and this little girl strutting down the runway, this fierce little girl. She knows how to walk for sure, and she is tiny. You kill me every time.
Child. Girls, I would like you to meet someone. She has been modeling since she was 4 years old. And by the age of 9, she has appeared in over 200 fashion shows. Tyra discovered her videos and brought her to the Tyra Banks show. And there she worked her magic. Girls, I want you to meet Miss
Diva Davanna is an icon, a legend. You know, like when you see somebody for the first time and you're like, wow, I wish I was her. She really did it for me. Not everybody really knows this, but like when I was smaller, I really wanted to model. Like that was what I saw myself doing in the next 10 years. I never did anything about it. So today I just felt like, now that I'm getting older, I want to experience a lot of things. Just explore what the world has to offer, you know? But I'm gonna keep it in my career. For me, like this is something that I would like to do, you know? But before we get into the video, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't yet. If you're new, welcome to the crew. It's Jada, how you do? And let's do what we do.
Boy, I think about it every night and day. I'm addicted, wanna drive inside your love. I wouldn't wanna have it any other way. I'm addicted and I just can't get enough. I'm addicted, like DJ Love, like addicted, addicted. I'm addicted. Addicted, addicted. I'm addicted. I'm addicted. I'm addicted. I'm addicted. Just can't get enough. No, get enough. No, get enough.
I am on my way. Yes. Anyways, so yes, I'm on my way to the bus and I'm running OD late, and it looks like I'm not gonna get there on time. Yeah, the bus set is coming in 13 minutes, and that's real tough. It takes me mad long. It takes me mad long to get anywhere from my house because I live in West Bubble. Like that's really what it's giving. Everywhere I want to go, it takes me a hot minute to get there. Woo! It's telling me to walk at the end of this block, and then I gotta take a left, right? Stinkling, what you doing? 2 blocks and then take a right and walk for dumb long, but I got this. Anyways, y'all, so on the train when I got a little bit of service, I emailed the girl and I asked, hey, my name is Jada, I'll be attending your class today. I'm also vlogging, so am I able to walk in there with my camera? I was like, yeah, everything's fine. For both questions. So I can walk in late and I can walk in with my camera. I look cute. I probably didn't even see that. Oh, I see it. I am here. What the hell is wrong with my camera right now? Hello. I'm going to a class upstairs with Diva Davanna, 416. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay, what? Pause. Open the door. Reading is fundamental. Yo, like, there's more elevators? Oh, that's cool. Okay. 16. 16 FG. 16 FG. 16 FG. Yeah. Oh, that's P.
I think it might be more this.
That way.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you. You hear the music? So basically I was so late that I missed out on an important chunk of the class, and I just wanted to catch up on everything before I started. Oh, okay, this is another house. Yes, girl. Yeah. Yeah. It's time to go. Alright, I'm ready to go run around. Bye. Bye, D. Thank you for coming. These elevators be in hiding spaces. Oh. Yo, I had so much fun. I'm low-key tight. No, I'm not tight. But when she called me, she called like
that you have.
she did like a popcorn thing, like calling random people in the line, and I was paying attention, but low-key I wasn't. And I just see everybody looking at me. I'm like, oh, it's me. So I didn't have my phone on to record. I'm like, damn, but she was recording. So if I find it by now, by editing, we might put it in there, but I thought I was gonna get lost. When she gets that video, I don't know if she's gonna post it or not. I'm gonna DM her or something. Exit. Sir? Excuse me? Hi? Where do I exit? Thank you. Not your door saying automatic and it's not automatic. But we are finished. I'm about to go home. I'm so excited. Actually, I low-key want sushi. All I had was a little bottle of water and a bag of Doritos. I'm gonna get y'all when I find the sushi. Ooh, McDonald's. And actually, I changed my mind. I think I want Chick-fil-A. Found it! Yo, my dumb self forgot that it's Sunday and Chick-fil-A don't open on Sundays. Guys, I don't know what this is, but it looks interesting. I took the camera off and I completely forgot about vlogging, and my skin is bugging out right now. But I had a shish kebab and I ate that thing. Oh, I did support this little Mexican family and got one of these bracelets. Very cute. I mean, I didn't have to spend money because I have people that make them for me, but just feeling a little bit supportive. Then I got a necklace. Probably gonna turn colors next week.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. Can I get the WMD one?
One WMD?
Yeah.
Your name?
Jada.
Jada?
Yeah.